So I just want to cover real quickly the type of equipment that we're using here in pitching jigs for these peat and well flowage walleyes. And it's going to be really similar to a lot of different situations where I'm pitching relatively light jigs. Using a medium length rod, this is a Johnny Morris Signature Series 6'8", medium extra fast action rod. And I really like, in a lot of scenarios, a medium extra fast just for the simple sake of having a really good backbone. So if you're pitching these jigs a distance and you get a bite way out on the end of your cast, you have a lot of hook setting power into your sweep to get that jig buried into the bony mouth of that walleye. Now line, once again, obviously always very important in any type of jigging scenario. This is one, especially with some of these fish being light biters, you're gonna wanna use some type of super line. This is a 10-pound fire line right here, crystal color. I've always been a fan of crystal. You know, they obviously have flame greens, things like that too. But then I have, at the end of the super line, I have it just tied to 2 to 3 foot 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. So very consistent setup that I would use in a lot of different jig pitching situations. Super line, rod with backbone that's highly sensitive. Set the hook as soon as you feel those ticks, and you're going to put a lot of walleyes in the boat when you're pitching jigs.